video I should be just playing about with doing another project. I had two of these tubs, these Doritos. They've got this type of triangle to them. I've tried to cut the tops off as best I could. So what I've done is I've cut down, they were basically half the size of this one. This one's smaller. I've gone down the side and then down the other side and then cut across because they're quite firm, you know, to try and cut through with a blade or anything like that. And I've tried to cut as well, they are a bit crooked, but it doesn't matter. So I've got two at different random sizes, okay, and I've tried to even the tops out as much as possible. This is only going to be a small project anyway, but I want to see how it turns out. I've done something slightly different like this, but on a base before with Pringles tins. But I like the way that these are triangle. So I've got some wipes. So what I'm going to do, because I can't wash them, is I'm going to just clear out the insides and wipe them out as best as I can. So let me just take a few wipes and open them up. And yeah, I'll try and clean them out a bit. Let's get some more wipes, because it's picking up all that powder. Let's get a couple more wipes out. The higher one's going to be a bit more complicated to get into. Should be able to get, yeah, I can just about get into the bottom of that. So remember, if you're making these, you need to be able to wipe inside, because you can just, well, I can just about put my small hand in there and wipe out. So, okay, so what I'm going to do now is just wipe round them again, because they've picked up a lot of the powder and all that, the others. So I'm just going in again with some clean wipes, just to make double sure. So we'll just leave them to dry and then we'll come back. Better just wipe this down for a minute on here with some clean wipes, because now I've got like the flavouring on here, which I don't want on the surface, picked up and transferred onto me gel plate or whatever I'm getting out. Right. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, they're dry now inside. What I want to do is give them a quick white coat of gesso. Okay, let's bring my paint back over. And I just want to go round, just do that bottom piece. I'll do that first. It's not just going to be white, I'm just coating it over so it gives a bit of grab of what I'm going to do next on it. Paintbrush slightly soft. I hope all you guys are doing alright. I've really got to catch up with YouTube and leave some comments and watch some videos and everything. leave that one a little while. A very soft brush. Okay. I'll just do this one now. Right, let's just get this hurried up because I just want this to dry. So I'm just doing it as quickly as possible. I do like the shape of these tubs though, you know. I bought it because I thought, I like the shape of that tub. And I like Pringles, but I haven't been having Pringles lately because I've been eating too many of them. But I haven't been feeling too great. I mean, I've got a cold at the moment, but that's besides the point. But I'm trying not to eat the Pringles. But I did buy these, I think it was 3 weeks ago, and I left the tubs and I thought, see if I can make something with them. Right, well, leave them to dry now, and then I will be back. Right. Let's bring this back in. Ah, don't touch it. that off. Right. Okay guys, so we're finished. It's all glued together. It's fine. So now I'm going to put some paint brushes or something in it. Put some paint brushes, big brushes, and, well, it doesn't matter, does it? Well, we could put smaller brushes in that side. And in a minute, I've got an assortment here. In. It's taken a lot of brushes. Another one of them, they're always handy to have out. And what else? Got a couple of water pens in there as well. And there's another big paintbrush. Yeah, and there's another one of my brushes that can go in. And there's another one, the long ones, the smaller one, the detail brush. How about that? Yes, lovely. Wow. It's got all those in, look. I'll just tip it up. Wow. It's managed to hold nearly 2 cups worth. I don't know if I can show you it. There. Now you'll see it. There's 2 cups worth in there of brushes. It's managed to get all of those in. So straighten the picture up. Wow, that is brilliant. I really like that. I really like that. It's really nice. And it's usable.